Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Mac OS 10, 15 or newer, and the latest Discord build. Open System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy, and grant screen recording and microphone access to Discord so the OS allows app audio capture. Once done, quit and relaunch Discord to apply permissions. Make sure no other app is holding exclusive access to audio devices. Closing browsers or conferencing apps prevents conflicts. This gets you ready to share a window with system audio enabled. You now configure Discord itself. In user settings, go to Voice and Video, pick the proper input and output devices, and test voice activity so capture works. When screen sharing, choose the specific application window or Chrome tab, and be sure to check the Share Audio box. This is required on Mac OS. If Discord offers the experimental audio capture option, enable it and restart the app because it can fix routing problems. Also set sample rate consistency in your audio interface or aggregate device. Finish by testing a short stream in a private server or DM call so you can verify audio reaches participants. If they still hear nothing, restart your Mac to finalize permission activation and recheck Discord's Share Audio box while selecting the same window. For complex apps or multi-output setups, create an aggregate device or use loopback-style software to route system audio into Discord. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip: mute/unmute devices and toggle screen recording permission off and back on, then reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.